So, got me Resistance 2 Collector's Edition today, plus a DualShock 3 controller. And I will be unboxing those right now. So yeah. So what you get is this Chimera action figured person, which is cool. It says Resistance 2 on the back. Oh, and Bullseye right there. You get that. You obviously get the game, Resistance 2. You get an HVAP Wraith multiplayer skin, and it gives you a promotion code right there. I'm discovering it so you guys don't steal it. And then you also get a Resistance 2 Collector's Edition bonus disc right there. That's cool. And then you also get this little book. I don't know. I guess it's a little history book. It's pretty cool. And that's it in that box. And then I'll just unbox this DualShock for you guys. If I can actually open this box. Let me go get some. Okay, I'm back with some scissors. So let's trim off the top here. Well, what the? I'm wet inside of this box. It's kind of weird. Yeah. Okay. So, get these things, and then you get DualShock 3. I haven't had one, so I decided to buy one the day Resistance 2 came out, so I could have a game with Rumbly stuff. So, take it out here. If I can get that. Right there. There's DualShock 3. See right up there. Yeah. Alright, so I'll upload some gameplay on Resistance 2 and maybe a short review later. So, thanks for watching and subscribe, please. Alright, bye.